Hi, welcome to my CollaborizeClassroom.com tutorial. I chose this site because it is as you can see, it's a topic library for collaborative lessons. And it's really neat because you can share these resources with anybody in the world. So while they're sharing with you, you can share with them. It's a great resource for teachers and students. And it's also a discussion board for your classroom. So to do a discussion board, click Start a Discussion. To sign in, you can either sign in, or if you don't have an account yet, sign up here, or you can sign up with Facebook or Google. So I'm just going to click Sign Up. So we type in an email. It's going to preload my information because that's what computers do nowadays. And then you're going to put in a password. I'm not going to have it remember me because I don't like that. And then click Sign Up. So now it's going to ask you to have your screen name. I'm just going to put the Unreal. Your school name, I'm going to put BES. My role, so I'm going to put 4th grade teacher, and my location. Okay, and that's saving it to my profile. And then you're started. That easy. That is part of the reason I really liked this website when I looked at it, is because it was super easy to navigate. So now the next thing you need to do is you're looking at this, and you're actually on your home page right now. So you can go down here to find a topic if you want to do a discussion board. So say we're going to do something in math. You can click Math, and it will bring up a whole list of topics. So these are actually general, like this one would be exams, topic 1, connecting to algebra. Okay, so that is actually a lesson you can look at, and you can tell over here, lesson, if it's thumbs up, thumb down questions, pacing guides, those kind of things. It gives you a hint as to what they are. You can also sort by date published, which I thought was really neat as well. Another thing you can do is go back and you can do grade level. So say I click 3rd to 4th, and it will literally bring up everything 3rd to 4th wise that would come up for those grades instead of anything about math. I really did like this website. The only thing that I found was a little daunting, to be quite honest. Whoops, I made it too big. To be honest, was that I found it a little frustrating that you could not have more than one filter at a time. So I couldn't click math and then filter down to 4th grade. It was one of those things where you had to weed through. So that I was not very impressed with. But other than that, I really found this to be a neat website, something that you could definitely use in your classroom. I'm going to see if I can go back here. I don't know if I can with my thing. It'll let me go back. So it was just a really neat website. So here, so like here you can say get these topics, which is the actual. We'll go back to home real quick. I wanted to show you one other thing. So here, I want to show you the discussion area. Okay. So here you have a forum, which is your discussion area. You have yes or no topics, multiple choice topics, voting for or against, or prioritizing. So these are really neat because if you choose yes or no questions, then you get that. So let's choose a yes or no question, and it gives you all the yes or no questions. So let's click this one. Would you like to be friends with a bat or not? So we click it, and this is a preview, so I'm going to close it because I haven't signed in yet. So it has a video that is about Stella Luna, the bat, and then you decide in your classroom, the kids would decide yes or no on their computers, and then they would have to support down here with their comment. I really thought this was a neat tool for all classrooms, and it's just very interesting. I think that's something that you could definitely use in your classroom if you're working on a blended environment. I attached this to TPAC 1 and ISTEA 5A.